Përshëndetje miqtë e mi. Hello my friends. This is lesson 2 for children. So I already recorded the lesson 1 and I already told you that this is especially for the children that are born in other countries and they want to learn Albanian, or maybe you have planned to come back and live in Albania. So how your children are going to adapt to the new language and to this culture, no, Albanian culture. So I already posted lesson 1 for children, and this is lesson 2 for children. So lesson 2 is dedicated to school, friends, and daily life. The goal is to help the children settle into school, friendship, and everyday routine in Albania. So, in the first lesson, we learned some simple survival phrases to daily life skills. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the morning routine and school day. We are going to name subjects, places, and daily actions, how to make friends politely and confidently, ask simple questions when you are lost, confused, or you need help, and practice 3 realistic situations in the school, at the playground, and neighborhood. All right, so first, the morning routine. Words that the children can use every day before going to school. Zgjohem. Zgjohem. I wake up. For example, zgjohem në orën 7. Zgjohem në orën 7. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Lahem. Lahem. I wash myself. Lahem dhe laj dhëmbët. Lahem dhe laj dhëmbët. I wash and brush my teeth. Vishem. Vishem. I get dressed. Vishem shpejt. Vishem shpejt. I get dressed quickly. Ha mëngjes. Ha mëngjes. I eat breakfast. Ha mëngjes me familjen. Ha mëngjes me familjen. I eat breakfast with my family. Marr çantën. Marr çantën. I take my school bag. Marr çantën dhe librat. Marr çantën dhe librat. I take my bag and books. Shkoj në shkollë. Shkoj në shkollë. I go to school. Shkoj në shkollë me buzëqeshje. Shkoj në shkollë me buzëqeshje. I go to school with a smile. Now, days, time, and simple schedule. The children need time words to follow the routines and school instructions. So, they need to learn these words. Sot. Sot. Today. Sot është e hënë. Sot është e hënë. Today is Monday. Nesër. Nesër. Tomorrow. Nesër kemi shkollë. Nesër kemi shkollë. Tomorrow we have school. Ora. Ora. The time. Sa është ora? Sa është ora? What time is it? Në mëngjes. Në mëngjes. In the morning. Në mëngjes zgjohem herët. Në mëngjes zgjohem herët. In the morning, I wake up early. Pasdite. Pasdite. In the afternoon. Pasdite luaj në park. Pasdite luaj në park. In the afternoon, I play in the park. Mbrëmje. Mbrëmje. Evening. Në mbrëmje lexoj. Në mbrëmje lexoj. In the evening, I read. Now, school subjects. Useful vocabulary for the classroom and homework. Matematika. matematika, math. Më pëlqen matematika. Më pëlqen matematika. I like math. Gjuha shqipe. Gjuha shqipe. Albanian language. Sot kemi gjuhë shqipe. Sot kemi gjuhë shqipe. Today we have Albanian language. Anglishtja. Anglishtja. English. Anglishtja është e lehtë. Anglishtja është e lehtë. English is easy. Vizatimi. Vizatimi. Drawing or art. Julia pëlqen vizatimin. Julia pëlqen vizatimin. Julia likes drawing. Edukata fizike. Edukata fizike. Physical education. Adami pëlqen edukatën fizike. Adami pëlqen edukatën fizike. Adam likes PE. Detyrat. Detyrat. Homework. Kam detyrat. Kam detyrat. I have homework. Making friends at school. A simple playground conversation the children can memorize. Përshëndetje, si quhesh? Hello, what is your name? Quhem Julia, jam 7 vjeçe. My name is Julia, I am 7 years old. Unë jam Adam, jam 10 vjeç. Unë jam Adam, jam 10 vjeç. I'm Adam, I'm 10 years old. Shoku or shoqja, a do të luash me ne? A do të luash me ne? Do you want to play with us? Po, me kënaqësi. Po, me kënaqësi. Yes, with pleasure. So they can use a do të luash me ne, do you want to play with us, or a do të luash me mua, do you want to play with me, to join to play. If children are shy, they can just say përshëndetje. Useful classroom phrases. Short sentences that help the children feel safe and independent. A mund të hy? A mund të hy? May I come in? Or a mund të hy? Mësuese. May I come in, teacher? Nuk e di. Nuk e di. I don't know. Nuk e di përgjigjen. Nuk e di përgjigjen. I don't know the answer. Kam mbaruar. Kam mbaruar. I have finished. Kam mbaruar detyrën. Kam mbaruar detyrën. I finished the task. Më duhet ndihmë. Më duhet ndihmë. I need help. Më duhet ndihmë, ju lutem. Më duhet ndihmë, ju lutem. I need help, please. A mund ta përsërisni? A mund ta përsërisni? Can you repeat? A mund ta përsërisni, ju lutem? A mund ta përsërisni, ju lutem? Can you repeat it, please? Mund të pi ujë. Mund të pi ujë. May I drink water? Right? So also this is very important part, especially for the children, that they can express their feelings, health, comfort. So they need to know or to have some vocabulary to express this, to express their feelings. For example, jam I lumtur for boy, jam e lumtur for girl. I'm happy. Jam I lumtur sot. I'm happy today. Jam I mërzitur. Jam e mërzitur. I am sad. Jam I friksuar. Jam e friksuar. I am scared. Më dhem koka. Më dhem koka. My head hurts. I have headache. Kam nevojë për pushim. Kam nevojë për pushim. I need a break. Kam humbur. Kam humbur. I am lost. Now, places in the neighborhood. Important places where children will hear and use Albanian language. Shkolla. School. Shkolla është afër. The school is near. Parku. Parku. Park. Shkojmë në park. Shkojmë në park. We are going to the park. Dyqani. Dyqani. Shop. Dyqani është këtu. Dyqani është këtu. The shop is here. Fura e bukës. Fura e bukës. Bakery. Blejmë bukë te fura. Blejmë bukë te fura. We buy bread at the bakery. Farmacia. Farmacia. Pharmacy. Farmacia është në rrugën kryesore. Farmacia është në rrugën kryesore. The pharmacy is on the main street. Shtëpia. Shtëpia. Home, house. Dua të shkoj në shtëpi. Dua të shkoj në shtëpi. I want to go home. Useful conversation if your children need help finding a place. Më falni, ku është shkolla? Excuse me, where is the school? A person in the street. Shkolla është drejt dhe pastaj majtas. Shkolla është drejt dhe pastaj majtas. The school is straight ahead and then left. Faleminderit shumë. Thank you very much. S'ka përse, kujdes kur kalon rrugën. S'ka përse, kujdes kur kalon rrugën. You're welcome. Or it's okay. Be careful when you cross the road. So remember, drejt is straight ahead. Majtas, left. Djathtas, right. Afër means near and larg means far. Now, playground and good manners. The children in Albania are expected to be warm, respectful. Say përshëndetje when first joining a group. Wait your turn. Kur është radha ime? When it's my turn. Ask nicely. A ma jep topin të lutem? Can you give me the ball, please? Respect adults and older relatives. And if something goes wrong, you can say, më fal, and try again, kindly. Now, a typical day in Albania. Short sequence the children can retell in Albanian language. For example, në mëngjes, zgjohem, lahem dhe ha mëngjes. So, in the morning, I wake up, I wash myself and I eat breakfast. Marr çantën dhe shkoj në shkollë. I take my bag, my school bag, and go to school. Në klas mësoj, pyes dhe luaj me shokët. In the classroom, I learn, I ask questions, and I play with my friends. Pasdite, shkoj në park ose te gjyqja. In the afternoon, I go to the park or to my grandma. Në mbrëmje, bëj detyrat, ha darkë dhe fle. In the evening, I do my homework, I eat my dinner, and I sleep. Now, this is also very interesting. You can do it with your children. So, for example, you can act them. You can do like a role plays in the house. The first day at school, so maybe the mother asks as the teacher, and your children enter in the class politely. Përshëndetje mësuese. Përshëndetje. A mund të hy? Can I come in? Quhem Julia, quhem Adam, më duhet ndihmë ju lutem. Just practice this keywords and these short phrases. Second role play is making a new friend. Practice at home before meeting a cousin or classmate. Si quhesh? Sa vjeç je? A do të luash me mua? Po, me kënaqësi. And the third one is asking the way home. One child will ask and the other will give the direction. Më falni, ku është shtëpia? Excuse me, where is the house? Drejt pastaj djathtas, straight ahead and then on the right. Faleminderit shumë, thank you very much. Kujdes rrugën and be careful the roads. Right, so this week's family mission. Day 1, morning routine, say 5 action in Albanian language. This can be like a homework for you as a parent to give to the children. Day 2, practice school subject. For example, kam detyrat për anglisht or për matematik. Introduce yourself, invite a friend to play. A do të luash me mua? Use one feeling phrase. Jam e lumtur or më dhem koka. I'm happy or I have headache. Use one feeling phrase. And day 5, role play asking for direction and thanking politely. Where is the house? And faleminderit shumë, kujdes, rrugën, etc. So this will be very useful for your children as a second lesson. So our lesson 2 promise. We will speak Albanian language a little every day. We will greet people kindly, ask for help with courage. We'll be respectful at school, at home, and in the neighborhood. We will make friends with confidence, and we are getting ready for Albania together. So this is a nice way also to motivate them to learn Albanian language a little every day. So thank you very much for listening also to this lesson too. Practice a lot with your children and you will see the results. So they will be happy and more confident to know some words that they can use in Albania when they go for vacation or if you are planning to go back and live in Albania. So if you still didn't subscribe on my channel, please subscribe on my channel Learn Albanian with Viola for a lot more free Albanian videos. Faleminderit!